Hello my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create a banner ad for your website from any image that you want and sending the person who clicks on that ad to any destination you want them to go to. For example, yesterday somebody asked me if I could create an ad for their website that would take them to the MLSP, I just clicked on it by the way, the MLSP Instagram 10-point PDF cheat sheet campaign. So what we did there is, let me just go to the MLSP main menu. We went to the MLSP campaigns. We found the Instagram cheat sheet giveaway campaign, which is what we want. That's the page we want the person to go to when they click on the ad on our website. And so here's the URL we want them to go to. That's important. We're going to need that in a few minutes. So I'm going to copy the URL. That's all I need. I don't need anything else. Now, we need an image. Since we're going to do an Instagram ad, I thought maybe it would be appropriate to get an Instagram image. So I simply typed Instagram in to my Google search bar, and I'm going to click on images, and I went and I copied. And I'm not going to teach you how to copy and paste images. So I just simply copied an Instagram image over to my computer. I put it in a file somewhere. Okay? Alright, the next step is I went to canva.com. Now canva.com is fundamentally a free service, and all I did was I created a little ad, that little ad that I put up there, and I used custom dimensions. So I used 250 by 250, and I told it to design the ad. So here's my ad. Now once again, I'm not going to teach you how to upload and download images. I'm going to assume that you can do that, at least that level. So I have the image, I already have it uploaded. I put it over here, and I brought it on over. I made it a little bit bigger to fill the space, and then I just simply added some text to the image, and I positioned the text. So what I ended up with then is, I'll show you, I ended up with this image right here created inside Canva. It says Instagram 10-point cheat sheet, which makes it very congruent with the ad, the capture page we're sending people to. That's exactly what the capture page says. So I then downloaded that image back to my computer. And once again, I'm assuming you can upload and download images. So all we did so far is we went to Google, we searched on Instagram, we got an image, we uploaded the image to our computer, brought it into canva.com, we finessed the image around a little bit, added some text to it, and downloaded it back to our computer. So far, pretty easily done. Let me close Canva. Now, let me close Facebook also, get it out of my way. Now, we're going to go onto my website. I'll open the website, and I'm going to take us to our dashboard. So you have to be able to log into the back office of your website now. And what I did is I created a page. I just simply started a new page. I called it Instabanner, and it's a draft. And let me edit that page. And I'm going to take everything off of the page right now so you can see this entire process. This is very simple now. Very simple. Notice that I'm in the text editor. I'm going to go add media. Now again, assuming you can upload images, I've already uploaded the image to my computer. There it is. So I'm going to go click on it, add media. Now here's the big tricky part. Down here, we go link to custom URL, and I'm going to paste in the URL that I want them to go to, which is, and you can see this here, it's Len Mooney BizBuilder dot whatever it is .com. That's the URL I want them to go to. I've selected the center of the image. I'll show you why in a few moments. We could have left it, justified it, right justified it, or put none. I'm going to leave center. Again, I'll show you why in a moment. And I'm going to go insert into page. That's all there is. Now, how do I get it into the sidebar? Here is the URL text that I need for that image. In fact, let's just save the draft and we'll view the page. We'll see what it looks like. So you can see what it looks like, and you can see that when I click on it, it takes me out to the cheat sheet. Now the question is, how do I get it into my sidebar? Very simple. Copy the text. Under Appearances, you have your widgets. Waiting for it to load. Waiting. Okay. This widget happens to be in my blog sidebar. That's where I want it, and I want it in a text field. So here's a text field. This is, I'll erase it. This is that image. Just paste it in, save it, and we are finished. That's all there is to it. And there's the image. When I click on it, it goes where I want it to go to. So now somebody coming to my website can click on this image, and it will take them out to the capture page for that 10-point PDF Instagram cheat sheet. Now, what if you want to play around with the size of the image? I can go to my widgets right here. This is another place I can find them. Click on my widgets. Just waiting for, this is Optimized Press, by the way, just waiting for Optimized Press. It's my blog sidebar. It's this text widget. Notice part of the text widget is the width. So let's say I want to make it a little bit smaller. Let's say I want to make it 200 by 200 pixels. Now you see the screen has blanked itself out a little bit because it's actually updating itself. It's editing. So there, it made it a little bit smaller. If I like that a little bit better, want to keep it, all I have to do is click Save and Publish. I'm waiting for it. It's saved, and I'm going to exit that widget, or that little editor. So there we are again. Click on it. It takes me out where I wanted it to go to. QED. That's all there is to it. Now, the image I put there could have been anything I wanted. Could have been a picture of Marilyn Monroe. Whatever I want. All I have to do is go find the image, and if you want to edit the image, take it into Canva or some other editing software, edit it, do whatever you want with it, save it, and upload it to, and again, I used a fake page. Let me go back to my dashboard. This page is no longer relevant. I'm going back to my dashboard right now. That page that I did that editing on, which I called whatever I called it, Insta Banner Draft, is no longer relevant. I can trash the page. I don't need it anymore. I just used it as a placeholder to assemble this thing. Okay? It's all gone. And once again, the URL that we're sending the people to when they click on it it could have been anything I wanted. I could have sent them to the Playmate of the Month if that's what I wanted them to go to. So it's completely up to me. I load that URL in when we load the image. So that's all there is to it. It's that simple to create a banner ad and put it up on your website in your sidebar, and any image you want, sending your customer to any URL you want to send them to. And that's all for this training.